Hey guys, Robert Maxwell with the Man Factory, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple but effective technique that I've just started using in my own training to help me lift a little bit more weight and deal with the effects of fatigue a little bit less. Today I'll be showing you this technique as it applies to barbell curls, which is what I happen to be working right now for the workout I'm doing, but it can totally apply to any of the barbell exercises. The technique is called pyramiding, or pyramid sets. At least that's what I call it. I'm sure it's been called many different things by different people. But the way it works is that you do your first working set of the given exercise with a weight somewhat lighter than you ultimately hope to lift for that exercise. And then for subsequent sets, you incrementally add small amounts of weight until you work up to the weight you're hoping to lift for your final set. So in my case, I'm starting curls with 95 pounds for a set of 10. That's my first set. And then I'm going to add a 2.5 pound plate on each side to make it 100 pounds for my second set, a 5 pound incremental increase. Ultimately, I hope to make it up to 110 pounds for my final set. And the advantage here is fairly obvious. If I tried to do 4 sets in a row with maximal weight on all of them, in this case 110 pounds for 4 sets of 10 reps on these curls, I'd quickly get fatigued, and chances are by the time I hit the end of my third and especially my fourth set, my form on these curls would be severely breaking down and I'd probably be reduced to cheat curls. And although in this footage of my third set you can see I do have a little bit of back arching going on, starting to get fatigued, the form is still what I'd call fairly clean and acceptable. And that's a product of the fact that I haven't pushed myself to the absolute limit so far, and plan to do so only on my fourth and final set. Take a look at my workout journal here. You can see the progression of the curls going from 95 pounds for 10 to 100 pounds and then to 105 pounds for 10. And here I am working on my fourth and final set, again going for the 10 reps, with my goal weight of 110 pounds. Now this is what I've been saving my energy for. This last little bit of strength that I have in the tank is considerably more than it would be, as I said, if I had tried to do the maximal 110 pounds for all 4 sets. So that's where pyramiding up to an ultimately heavy and maximal weight for your final set can help you achieve better results. So there you have it, my use of the technique that I call pyramiding. I hope you found it interesting and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.